Welcome to the class. Integers. It's for 7th standard. Let us begin with numbers. We already studied about the natural numbers, and these natural numbers are represented by n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to infinite are called natural numbers. Whole numbers are the basic counting numbers. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 17, 101, 267, 444 and 99999 whole numbers. Whole numbers include natural numbers that begins from 1 onwards. So 0 and the natural numbers, the both together we call as whole number. Here the whole numbers are on number line. So starting from 0 and it is going like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. And all the numbers like from 1 downward, all are greater than 0. So 0 is the smallest number and 1, 2, 3, 4 are greater than 0. So what about the numbers which are less than 0? So the numbers which are lesser to 0 are -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on up to infinite. And these are all less than 0. So, and these are called negative numbers. And so 0 divides negative numbers and positive numbers. The 0 is neither a positive nor a negative number. So these set of negative numbers and positive numbers including 0 are called integers. And these numbers are represented by capital Z. So on observing, the integers are including all the whole numbers and the negative numbers. Negative numbers are indicated by minus sign. The numbers without negative symbol are called positive numbers because by default they are called positive numbers. There is no smallest number and largest number in integers. Difference between two consecutive integers is 1. On number line, the value of numbers will increase from left to right. The value of numbers will decrease from right to left. Now comparison of integers. We use the following symbol to compare numbers to find out bigger number, smaller number and also equal. So example, see this, A is greater than B and if B is greater than A, we can represent like this, we can show like this, B is greater than A and if both are equal, the equal symbol will be there, A is equal to B. Now comparing two positive integers. Take two positive integers 1 and 2. Here 2 is greater than 1. Just by seeing this, we can say that 2 is greater than 1. And other numbers are also 8 is greater than 5, 55 is greater than 20, and 105 is greater than 95. So now comparing positive integer with the negative integer. We know all the positive numbers are on right side of the number line and right side to the 0. All the negative numbers are on the left side of the number line and left side to the 0. The numbers right side to the 0 are bigger than the numbers left side to the 0. That means all the positive numbers are bigger than the negative numbers. So minus 8 is less than 8, minus 30 is less than 2, minus 100 is less than 1. Starting at 0 number on the number line, and if we move to the right side, the numbers will become greater and greater. So see, 1 is greater than 0, and 2 is greater than 1, and 3 is greater than 2, and so on. And from starting at 0 number, on the number line, and if we move to the left side, the numbers will become lesser and lesser. The minus 3 is left to the minus 2, and which is less than minus 2. Minus 2 is left to the minus 1, and minus 1 is left to the 0. So minus 1 is less than 0, minus 2 is less than minus 1, minus 3 is less than minus 2, like that. Compare two negative numbers, minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2, or minus 2 is less than minus 1. Example, take another negative numbers, minus 6 and minus 4. Minus 6 is far left to minus 4. So minus 4 is greater than minus 6, or minus 6 is less than minus 4. So on observation, the value of bigger number with a negative sign is less to the value of a smaller number with negative sign. So example, so actually 600 is greater than 200 when it is positive. But with the negative sign, 600 is becoming less than 200. So minus 600 is less than minus 200. The same way, minus 5 is less than 0. Comparing negative integer with a positive integer. We already studied that all the positive numbers are bigger than the negative numbers. See examples. 5 is greater than minus 50, 8 is greater than minus 9, 1 is greater than minus 100, 99 is greater than minus 9999. And now see this. So minus 8 is less than 8. Exercise 1. Some integers are marked on the number line which is bigger and which is smaller. Minus 3 and 2 are marked on the number line. We can write two statements for this. We already know that all the positive numbers are bigger than the negative number. So basing on this statement, minus 2 is less than 2, or 2 is greater than minus 3. On the next statement, when we move from left to right, the number value will increase on number line. So here minus 3 is moving towards to the 2. It is from left to right. So minus 3 is less than 2, or 2 is greater than minus 3. 2 is bigger number and minus 3 is smaller number. Write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest from them. So numbers given minus 5 and minus 2, and minus 5 marked and minus 10 is also marked, and between numbers from minus 5 to and minus 10, so minus 6 is there, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So from we are going from minus 5 towards to the left minus 10, the number value will decrease. So minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. These are the in between numbers between 5 and minus 5 and minus 10, and from these the minus 6 is the greatest number, biggest number, and minus 9 is the smallest number. Because we are from right to left, value will decrease. So minus 6 is greater than minus 7, minus 7 is greater than minus 8, such that minus 6 is biggest number and minus 9 is smallest number. And follow other two examples for other problems. Now write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. The numbers given minus 5 to 1 minus 8. So just mark on number line minus 5, 2 and 1 minus 8. The minus numbers are on left side to the 0, and the positive integers are right side to the 0. So left side numbers are smaller, the right side numbers are bigger numbers. Moving from left to right means moving from smallest to biggest. So 8 is minus 8 is far left to than other numbers. So minus 8 is the smallest number and after that minus 5 will come, and after that 1 is coming, and after that 2 is coming. So the ascending order, the minus 8, after that minus 5, after that 1, and after that 2.